Hey beauties, it's your girl Queen E back with another DIY, and this time we're making organic rose water. So pull up a chair, grab your pen and paper, and get ready to take some notes on this rose water tutorial. Alright, starting with our tutorial now, we are going to turn our stove on to a medium-high heat, and then about a third of the way we're going to add our distilled water to our pot, again on medium-high heat. And then we're going to take about right at a cup to 2 cups of our organic rose petals and add them to our distilled water. And we're going to kind of take our hands and disperse them evenly so that the steam can disperse evenly over the rose petals to make our beautiful rose water. Alright, checking back in, you can see the rose petals have begun to lose their color, and it is getting the good steam across, and you can see the color beginning to change. And this is only after about a minute or two of being on medium-high heat. You don't want to turn it on a high heat because that can cause the water to boil out very fast, and you won't get the turnout of the rose water that you are looking for. We've been steaming for about 5 minutes now. I'm going to turn off the heat and let our rose water cool down. Look at that beautiful red color. Okay, we've gotten the pot off the stove, and I'm just showing you guys the outcome of how the rose petal color has separated from the roses. And we are going to continue to let this rose water cool down a little bit, and the color will begin to change even more to a nice dark red color as it continues to sit and cool. Yeah, just for the life of me, my doggone ring light was not cooperating with me for today's video, but we're gonna make it do what it do. Alright, we got it nice and cool. You see the color has gotten even prettier and darker, and we're gonna begin to separate the rose petals out of our rose water mixture that we have made. Gonna get this little stringer. I'm gonna have to give me a bigger one. I had a bigger one, but I tore it up, y'all. And you're gonna just take the rose petals and put them in the pot and just separate them from the rose water. Don't forget when you're straining them to press down, because it still has a lot of juices and rose petal water that is in the rose petals. So make sure that you're pressing down to get some of the water out of those rose petals from that what has absorbed. And I'm going to try to do this some more off camera for you guys, and I'll be back. Okay, I did pick the rest of the rose petals out off camera, and now we're just going to strain the rest of the rose water to make sure I didn't miss any smaller petals when I was transferring them from the pot to this bowl. The color of this rose water is absolutely beautiful. bright, vibrant red. Now we're going to add our glycerin to the mixture. And those are the only 2 ingredients you would absolutely need if you're making this personally for yourself. But for me, I did add some preservative to extend the shelf life of the Rosewater, because these are now available on my website for purchase. Be sure to use my brand ambassador discount code MODEST, MODEST, to get some money off of your order. And be sure to follow her YouTube, Modest Transformation by Celeste. The link will be below in the description box, and give her some support on her channel as well. I just wanted to take this time to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you have any other DIYs or videos that you would like to see me do, please feel free to list them down in the comment section below. I am open to any other suggestions if you're out there trying to start your small business and you just need a little help along the way on getting started. I also wanted to mention that I am on a journey to get to 1K on my TikTok channel. I am dying to do another giveaway, and I have announced on my Instagram, if you're following me, and please be sure to follow me over there at Bellerin Cosmetics on Instagram and on TikTok, because once we reach 1K, I will be doing a very, very special giveaway. So help us get to 1K, you guys, so we can get this giveaway started. But again, thank you guys for watching. I thank you all for your love and support. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Feel free to share it with other entrepreneurs like yourself. And don't forget to embrace the beautiful queen or king that you are. Until next time, you guys, thanks again for watching. Bye.